All right. So trimming some 300 blackout I just made, and I ran into a little issue with the Hornady trimmer. Going along, so I spot check some. Found they'd grown 5/1000ths of an inch. Yeah, I checked a few, checked head stamps, little variations, but shouldn't be 5/1000ths of an inch. Different head stamps. We got a problem here. Adjusted it again. About a half dozen cases later, it was 5/1000ths of an inch long already. Whew. Yeah, scratched my head a little bit. This end locks up tight. I mean, that thing binds big time. So let's look at this end. Yeah. Now these two pieces, they're threaded, and there's a O-ring in between them. You bind them together. The O-ring keeps them from backing off, and they bind to the threads, and it's your adjustment. Well, what happened is, you gotta put a drop of oil in here every now and then, keep her lubricated. That oil worked its way back into these threads, and even though I bound her tight, if you grab this end, you could rotate it. You see where I'm going here. So I took it apart, blasted the threads and the parts with a little gun scrubber. Oh, I didn't do it to the O-ring, I just wiped that down. Put it together, readjusted it, and I haven't had a problem since. I've done a few dozen cases. It's staying in place, and hopefully that's the problem to watch out for. In case start growing, clean that sucker. But yeah, hopefully that'll help someone. I don't know if any of the other trimmers had this issue. I think that one did too. I will say this is a whole lot easier to adjust than this beast. But yeah, it's something to watch out for, and hopefully this will help. So God bless. Have a good one. See ya.